What's up guys, my name is Aleva Shiondu and today we're going to be reviewing two great phones, iPhone 12 and the new iPhone 12 Pro. We'll be testing the cameras out and see what both cameras have to offer. Here with me, iPhone 12 Pro, and here, iPhone 12. Before we go ahead, this video is proudly sponsored by Mcsteve. Mcsteve is an online store where you can get your phones, your laptop, your hard drives and other tech accessories. So use the link below that will forward you to Mcsteve store or the lines for you to order for any phone that you want of your choice. So another special shout out to the Wells Carlton Hotel. Is really a great place for your accommodation and hospitality services. So straight up, let's go and see how these cameras operate and what they really have to offer. We'll start with iPhone 12 Pro. No, let's start with 12 and see what it really has to offer. Yeah, so straight up to camera, and we are photo mode. Yeah, so I think we should start with the furnitures. Let's see what it can offer. All right, so I'm going to take a photo of this. I'm setting it to portrait mode. Let's see what we can achieve with this. This is iPhone 12. Let's see. And this is iPhone 12 Pro. Let's see what it will offer. Same settings, same location. One time. And then for iPhone 12, you can see so let's move over here and see what it can offer. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, the autofocus is great for both phones. As you can see, it's focusing on the four faces there. Very fast and robust autofocus. So let's take the food and see. Okay. And this. And let's say shout out to MC Godliness. Doing what he knows how to do best. Okay. Hi, baby. Say cheese. Good, baby. Say cheese. Good. So let's compare these pictures and see what we have. These are identical. I don't see much difference in the bokeh, both offering similar bokeh, and there's no identical difference here. I don't see any identical difference. They are offering the same picture quality, and this is night. I should have tried earlier daytime, but I prefer testing the cameras at night because low light photography, you get to test the ability of the sensor more, the capability of the sensor more, how much of a picture quality you can get. And I'm really impressed with the two phones. So if you ask me which camera I should go for or which phone I should go for because of the camera, I don't know which I would select. Yeah, it's difficult. I think it's a tie for night photography. My own opinion. I don't know about your opinion. Whatever you have, you can drop it under the comment section. Yeah. So guys, the iPhone 12 Pro has a special feature where if you walk into a room that is poorly lit, it automatically switches to night mode. Yeah, so it therefore records more, takes more time to record light so that it makes your picture brighter. Just to make an illustration, guys, let's see what will happen when I switch off this light and what the phone will automatically do in order to take my model a nice bright image. So follow me and see what happens. All right, come. So if I switch off this light, automatically it shows here 1S, and you see a sign like a moon. That automatically shows you that it's in night recording mode or night portrait mode. So what you want to do now is hold the phone very steady and then click. It's taking 1 second for it to record in light that will hit the sensor for 1 second. So if you move your phone at this point, it's going to give you a blur image. Check this out again. So there are two things playing here. You don't want to move. You don't have to move. Your model doesn't have to move. So any of these will result to a blur image. When Apple made mention of a superb night mode photography for the iPhone 12 Pro, I thought, okay, maybe that will not come in play. The fact that maybe it's going to have a very nice sensor for you to take pictures at a very high shutter speed, yeah, and not altering noise in your image. So we're going to review this picture and see what we'll end up with. All right, so guys, not to forget, Mcsteve is doing a giveaway. Great deal on iPhone 12. Sorry, let me drop the 12 Pro aside. Great deal on iPhone 12. iPhone 12 is currently going for over 500,000, but you can buy from Mcsteve for 450,000 naira. Yes, you heard me right, 450,000 naira. Use the link below for you to access Mcsteve store, or you can dial any of the number for you to place an order. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your post notifications so that you don't get to miss my upcoming video. And special shout out to the Well Scouting for this great location. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.